Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Online Course. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to crochet this beautiful piece. This is for blanket, baby cardigans, baby dress, shawls, or whatever you want to make. This is very easy, and you can see it's very soft. If you are making baby blanket, do not forget to attach the fabric on the back side, because if you do not attach the fabric, these holes will not keep it warm. So I have done for this I have done 30 chains, but if you want, I have done two things here. First, you can see in here in line I have gapped two holes here, but in the other side you can see I have only one. I have left only one. So if you like this thing, you will have to do 30 minus 3 chains. 30 minus 3 means 27 chains. If you are doing this thing here, you will have to do 27 chains. Okay, but if you are loving this side, and you want to add this thing here, then you will have to add 30 plus 3, 33 chains here. Okay, so colors is on your choice. You can add two colors or one color, but basic color is one. I have used one basic color, that is after one row, after every one row. You can see I did here white, then peach, then again white, yellow, white, blue, then again white. That's how I did, but it's on your choice how you did. And for this I took this hook number 2.5 mm. You can see in the screen, this is the best hook for this yarn size. This is 3 ply, and I took this is, you can see the embroidery thread, very thin, and it's 3 ply almost, and I took 3 strands of this. You get 3 times, so it is working like 3 ply. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for this video, for this blanket pattern, we need 2.5 mm hook number, and yarn is 3 ply, or the color whatever you want. Okay, first we will take chains. I will do 30 chains. Okay, we have done 30 chains. Now we will make DC on every stitch. So skip first two chains and do a DC in the third. Now make one DC in every stitch, one double crochet in every chain or every stitch. This is the first row of the project. Okay, complete this row. Okay, our first row of double crochets is completed. Now we will start second row. For this we will take 3 chains, 1 2 3, turn and make double crochet in the second stitch. Skip this first one and this, 1 double crochet, 2, make 2 double crochets. So in total we have 3 stitches, 1 2 or 3. Okay, now 2 chains, 1 2, make a DC after 2 stitches. Skip these 2, 1 2, skip these, and in the third make a DC in the third stitch, like this. Again 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, make a DC in third, 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, make a DC in the third, again 2 chains, skip 2 stitches and in the third. Okay, complete this, and in the last, okay, so we are on the last, skip these 2 stitches and make this double crochets. Then like we did in the first, we did 3 stitches, 2 double crochets and 1 chain. So we will do in the last again 3 stitches. One is done, we have 2 left, 1 and 2. This is the second and the third in the last, like this. So we will have a border like this. You can see, if you're doing blanket, this is the best way to make a border. No other yarn overs or leftovers or whatever. Okay, now in third row again take 3 chains, done, and in the second stitch make a DC in the second stitch, again 1 DC in the third stitch. We will always have this 3 stitches of line like border. Again 2 chains, DC in this. Okay, now 2 chains. So we will not do DC on this, we will do 3 DCs in this part. 1, 2, 3, like this. Again 2 chains, again 3 DCs in the next hole, next place. 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, again like we did 2 chains here, so we will again 2 chains, skip this one, and in this 3 DC. Two chains again and 3 DCs in this. Okay, so we have done, we have two parts here. 2 chains again like we did here, this one. Okay, so I think I skipped 3 stitches, that's why I'm not having this one line. So if you are making the same length, you will have to add again 3 more chains. I did 30, you will have to do 33, then you will have the same design on the both sides. Okay, this is done. Cut the yarn. Okay, now we will add the second color. I am having this peach, this yellow and this blue. I will add these 3 colors. So in the first I will add this peach color, 1, 2 in the third chain. Okay, do it short as much as you want. Okay, again 3 chains, 1 2 3, and make 2 DC in the second and third. 1 and 2. Okay, 3 stitches done. So 1 2, make a double crochet on this like this. Now 1 and 2 chains, and in this now we will make this in this popcorn, like popcorn, 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, yarn over and done. 1 chain, 1 2 3, and 1 chain, 1 2 3, yarn over, and we did 2 chains here. We again do 2 chains, 1 2. On this part 1 single crochet, again 2 chains, and we will repeat the same, this one. 1 2 3, 1 chain, 1 2 3, and 1 chain, 1 2 3, 1 1. So we did here 2 chains, do 2 chains, 1 2, and make 3 double crochets here. This is irritating me. Like this, 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, for now we have done 2 colors, so it's again turn the white color turn. So we will add on this third chain, 1 2 3, take as short as you can, short is better. 1 2 3 in the second, and 1 DC in the third. So again we have 3 stitches on the border. Okay, we will do this thing, this line, 2 chains, 1 double crochet on these, then again 2 chains like here we did 2 chains, and 3 double crochets in this part, and again 3 in this, like we did 2, we again do there, one is there, 1 is there. Okay, now 3 double crochets, 1 2 3 done. So here we did 2 chains for making gap. Again we will do 2 chains and 3 double crochets in this place. 1 2 3, again 2 chains, and next we will do here 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, 2 chains, and again 3 double crochets in this, 1 2 3, 3 double crochets, then 2 chains, 1 2, and last stitches, last double crochet, last 3 2, and in the last. Okay, we have done this. Now we will add another color, that will be easy. Oh, again a one chain, then cut the yarn, that would be easy. Why you are not cutting? Okay, it's done. Now I will add this color or this. Should I add this? No, yellow is better. This will be the same like peach, then you have regular lines, no other complication. One, two, three, 2 stitches, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, done. Like this, 2 chains, 1 double crochet here, again 2 chains, 1 2, and this thing 3 times, 1 2 3, 1 chain, okay, 1 chain, 2 chains, and single crochet here, again 2 chains, and 3 times, 1 2, 1 chain, 1 2 3, and 1 chain, 1 2 3, 2 chains, and make 3 double crochets on this. Okay, just finish this